guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's another Hashtag Mommy Fridays. I'm Mommy Casey and this is
Kendall.
and this is
Baby Kylie.
Baby Kylie. Yay! So on this week's video guys, we will be sharing with you our merienda time. So a PLATTER Co sent us this one. And inside the box, you have here your special hummus. We have Greek pita bread, fresh veggies. We also have tomatoes and nachos. It also comes with a salsa and garnish. Yun. This is really new guys, and this is Das Marinas Cavite based. So they told me that it's better to eat this one ng warm. So kailangan natin siyang i-microwave for 15 seconds. It says here, eat your Mediterranean platter like samgyeopsal but in a healthy, different experience guys. Because if you, yes we will eat. Because if you guys doesn't know, the main ingredients of hummus is chickpeas guys, and it's really healthy. Chickpeas are rich in protein and fiber guys. The health benefits of this one is to control blood sugar, it can help you lose weight, help reduce the risk of cancer, and of course a good substitute for unhealthy foods. So for me, it's not my first time to try hummus because I used to eat this one in the US. Doon naman siniserve siya ng, or tinitinta siya ng by, parang naka-small tub lang siya. Tapos may maliit yung hummus and maliit na side for pretzels. Usually pretzels guys, yung mga na-try ko na pair sa hummus. And, ano ba, meron ding different flavors, but this one is a special flavor from PLATTER Co. So we'll try it. So, first, actually, you can eat your hummus in any way you like. In any way you like. You can eat just the hummus itself. Of course, guys, bago po tayo kumain, we have to wash our hands. Dapat clean po ang ating mga kamay. So,
Kamay?
yes, kamay. So, today we will try this one. This one is a pita bread. Try natin siya with
Mami, ano
let's try it with just pita bread. Actually, you know what? Para ma-share ko siya sa iba at hindi naman tayo masyado nachos.
Wow! Mama, eto ta.
It's
Hindi
good.
ako yun ituta.
Here, you should try yours. So, that's the good thing with Kambal guys because they try everything. As in, hindi sila ma-arte sa food. Tapos, pagkatapos nila kainin, tsaka pa lang nila i-judge kung bent nila yung food or yun nga, kung bago nilang favorite yun. Really? It's yummy? It's yummy? Yeah? How was it, Kylie? Is it good? So we could try the nachos here. We have nachos here. Yeah, favorite ko yung salsa din, guys. Ano ba yung Kylie? Ba't naliwan lang dyan? Sarap siya, guys. You like it? You like it? Yeah. So, tama nga sila. Mas masarap siya ng mainit, guys. Mainit-init po ang ating pita bread at ang ating hummus. So, you can eat it with any of your favorite bread.
Yep.
The best thing also is this one is really healthy. Like it? You want carrots?
Orap. Iba iyang kaarap. Arap.
Guys, yes, good job. Good job rin naman. Ilang daw po ito ni Olaf. So, am I gonna eat Olaf's nose? Kakainin pa natin ang nose ni Olaf. Guys, gumagamit ako ng teaspoon kasi para ma-share ko siya sa iba. Napaka-unethical naman pag sinawsaw ko dyan. Pero,
Papa, yung alam. Papa.
that's okay. It's healthy. You have to eat all of nose. Sobrang sarap, guys.
Mama.
Ha? What is this? It's hummus. Hummus. And guys, ay, be careful. Ako na.
Wait ako, guys.
Nagulat daw siya, guys. Guys, I'm telling you, this is not your ordinary merienda. You know what? Well, try din natin siya sa rice. Ang weird, no? Try natin. With rice. If it's good. Yes, konti lang. Naglagay ako konti.
Mama?
Yeah. Ang sarap, guys. Pang all-purpose talaga siya. Ang sarap sa kanin. Parang mas bet kasi sa kanin. Ang takaw lang. Mas bet sa kanin. Hindi tayo, pumapayat eh. And the kids love it too. You see it? They love the nachos. Just the nachos, no?
Yeah.
Yes, you love it. You should try this. You can dip it there. Like this. Another one, guys, you can pair this with any drinks you like. For kambal, I made this charot-charot lang na Milo drink.
Ana.
It's a chocolate, and for me, I have here a pink Moscato, guys.
Auntie color
Gray.
violet.
Sarap.
Mama, tingnan.
Opo, of course.
Ayan.
Sarap. You like it? You really like it? Approve? Approve.
Yeah.
Yeah. Approve? Kumain na rin po ng kanin ko. So, I think that's it for today, guys. All in all, I really love the taste. Approve din nila kambal. Nagustuhan nila. Kaya, thank you so much, Platter Co, for sending us this one. I love you guys. I love how they put the packaging. It's really classy, and plus the food presentation, it was really good. You can visit their Facebook page or the Instagram account, guys, to order. The Mediterranean platter is, I think, 250 pesos, and if you want to just buy the hummus, they are also selling this one just for 100 pesos per tub. And again, they are just Marinas Cavite based. They do meetups and deliveries, guys. So yun, guys, get yours now because it's really, really good. And it's good for kids too. It's good for your health. So, lalo na sa panahon ngayon, the best thing also is you can share this with your family, with your kids and friends. Yeah, that's it. So, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, please subscribe on my channel and don't forget to hit the thumbs up. And hit the notification bell. Thank you. Bye-bye. Love you. Stay safe. Go.